Okay, so the list shows the number of licenses issued every year to lobster boats in Massachusetts for a 5-year period. What is the range of this data? Range of this data, that is a baby one, and you would be surprised that only 50% of the people got this correctly. Okay, range is biggest minus smallest. Okay, what's my biggest number? They're not in order. 554 is my biggest. Am I right? Yes. And my smallest is 529. Borrow, that becomes a 14. That is what? 525. Range is 25. That is super easy. Do not miss that. Holly bought a magazine subscription for a year. She paid $27. Holly wanted to find the price P of the subscription each month. She created a model shown to help find this price. Okay, this is pretty easy. So it was $27 a year. Split up over how many months? Let's see. Pretty sure it's 12, right? Because it was for a year, but just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Are you going to pay $324 a month for a magazine? No, that's dumb. Actually, all of these are dumb answers. But let's just do it just to be safe. Did you know that 1% of the people picked this? 1% of the people picked this. 20% of the people picked that as their answer. A fifth, 1 out of every 5 students picked that. That is not paying attention to making sure your answer is reasonable. So 27 divided by 12. Well, that'll go in there twice. 3. No, bring down another decimal. Bring down a 0. What is that? Twice. Baby, freebie, do not miss. Just saying. Alyssa will correctly label the numbers 48 and 4/10, 48 and a half, 48 and 900, and 48 and 3/5 on a number line. Which number will be located closest to 49? Okay, this is pretty easy. We got to figure out what our number line is broken down into. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each one of these is a 10th. Okay, what's the easiest to mark? 48 and a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 48 and 1/2. 48 and 900. So that'd be right here. So you know that's not closest. 48 and 4/10 would be right here. So 1/2 is still closer. Now we got to worry about this 3/5. 48 and 3/5. We'll change 3/5 to a decimal. Can I get this to a 10? What did I do to this 5 to get 10? Times 2. So that's 48 and 6/10, which would be right here. So 48 and 3/5 is my winter. And only half of the kids got that last year because they got confused about a decimal. Okay, number 20. Which statement describes the relationship between x and y in these two equations? So you have y equals 2x. When you have a number next to a variable, you multiply. So that's 2 times x. And you have y equals x plus 2. Okay? F. In y equals 2x, the value of y is 2 more than the value of x. No, it's not 2 more. It's 2 times. This is 2 times x. In y equals 2x and y equals x plus 2, the value of y is 2 more than the, no, it's not just, it's 2 more here, but it's 2 times there. Right here it's twice here, but it's 2 more there. The only answer that works is J. Most kids got that correct last year. That was easy. Okay, so the table shows the monthly fees for the checking accounts at 2 banks. So I have a checking account here and a checking account here. Checking account Y says 1% of checking account balance is your fee. Checking account Z says $5 monthly fee no matter what. Which statement is best supported by the information in the table? Okay, so this is the kind of problem that I kind of hate because there's not really a whole lot of math to do with it. You just kind of have to do some reading. Says the fee at bank Y will always be less than the fee here. Well, not necessarily, because this could end up being more if you had a whole bunch of money in there. So that's not going to work. That was the most chosen answer, and it was wrong. The fee at bank Y will always be more than, no. The fee at bank Y will be more than the fee at bank Z only when a customer's balance is $500. Well, if you have a balance of $500 and the fee is 1%, remember here's 1%. How do you make a percent sign into a decimal? Cross off the percent, move it back 1, 2. So it's going to be $500 times 0.01. This would be another 0 right here, but so 1, 2. So that, it will be more if you have a balance of more than $500. So that's your answer. That one's pretty hard, actually. Okay, I think that's 5 problems. I'm not real sure. If not, we're just going to stop it there. Okay, bye.